is Prathamesh. Welcome to Digital Advice Hub's new video, and in this video we're going to learn about how and what to do exactly when you're running a Facebook advertisement or you are new on the Facebook advertisement and nothing's gonna work, right? There are some kind of stages where might be you are running advertisements since years now, and now you have done each and everything, but still your cost per results is high and you are not getting sufficient leads which you are needed. Or you are a newbie, you have started the campaigns and you tried each and everything, tried every permutation and combination, and still nothing's gonna work, right? So before starting the video, I just want to request you to hit that subscribe button and also press the bell button so that you can get the notifications if you are new. And if you are already a subscriber, then please do like this video, because I'm gonna give you a videos each and every day that will benefit it to grow your business with Facebook advertisements. Okay, so let's back to the video. And now there are two scenarios when the Facebook ad doesn't work at all, right? First scenario, you already have a business, you already running a Facebook advertisement, but you tried so many things and so many advertisements. It was working previously better for you, it was giving you the results, it was giving you the better, giving you the best cost per leads, but now after scaling that leads or scaling that campaigns, now it's stuck. Your cost per lead is very high, you are not getting the leads come slow. Or if you are running a conversion campaign for a product e-commerce company, then your sales might be low and your cost per sale acquisition is high, right? And the second scenario is you are a new startup and you are running a Facebook advertisement. You have started the campaigns, you have tried every permutation and combination for your campaigns. You have launched that campaigns, you have tried that campaigns for many times, you tried different versions of that campaign, but still you are not getting business, right? So let's go one by one. The first scenario is you already have a business, you're already running an advertisement, it was working before, but now all the account is stuck. So what to do in this scenario, right? So this kind of situation is coming in each and every advertiser's life when he is running a Facebook advertisements, because so many times what we are doing, we are running in campaigns, we are doing some permutation combinations, we are getting the winning campaigns, we are running that campaigns till 1 year, couple of years, and now we have scaled that to that particular level where we have tried so many things in that campaigns, right? And now after trying everything, we got a good amount of result from that campaign, and now that campaign is stuck. A lot of people say that it's an ad fatigue, a lot of people say that the campaign is not running down, a lot of people say that this campaign is now in a well. But right now, what you need to do to scale, because you have tried different bunch of campaigns now after that winning one, and now you are not getting the results. So the simple formula and the simple thing is back to basic, right? You need to go back, you need to check what creatives that have gave you results, what ad copies that have gave you results, what kind of a sales funnel that you were using, where you got the results, what kind of targeting option that you were using, and that got the results. So what happened? You scale the campaign, you have tried different audiences in that. Once some kind of an audiences have give you result in the past, now you shut down that campaign, shut down that ad sets, you tried the new creatives, you tried the new permutation combination, you tried the new targeting, and now that are running and you are not getting results. So go back, create a fresh new campaign, or create or put on the same ad sets which previously worked for you, and now you turn that off. This might be the first scenario. Second thing, it might happen when we are scaling a campaign, day by day or month by month or week by week, we are changing the budget or we are scaling the budget of that campaign. Let's say we started the campaign with 1,000 rupees of budget or $5 budget, right? And now after a year, the budget for that particular campaign is something around 10,000 rupees or something around $100 plus. Then you can do one thing, you can reduce that budget to the first one. You started with the 1,000, you started with the $5, get back to that, right? And see how it is working. Most probably it happens that when you're reducing the budget, your cost per lead is getting down. Most probably not. It always happens if you given the small amount of budget to the campaign, the cost per result will also be a good one, also be a reduced one, right? But when you have started scaling that up, you are increasing the budget, your cost per lead started getting increasing, right? So in this scenario, think back to the previous creatives, think back to the previous targeting, think back to the previous ad budget that you already was already working for, right? This is the scenario 1 where you need to start with the 1. Or what you can do. Second thing, in scenario 1, first thing, I went back and I started what working for me because I have that database, right? But now, if you've done that, but still you're not getting results, what you need to do? Now you need to think out of the box. You need to start with the fresh things which is actually all from whatever you did previously. Because right now your account, your Facebook Ads Manager say, "Baba, bas ho gaya. Now I cannot give you the result because I have believed that Ads Manager so many permutations and combinations, right? So now I just need to start fresh." In the same ad account, in a fresh means will create an ad creative video which is completely different from the previous one, which I never used to grab the audience attention because I have the targeting options which was working for me, but that targeting options or that audiences are not responding on my ads because they already saw my ads many times, right? So need to think about it. If you remember, right? If you see 10 years back or 15 years back, whatever TV ads that you saw, right? So many of them you remember till now because that's an old one, right? If you are in India, if you remember, there was a Samsung advertisements which that guy is coming from the hill and on the top of the hill there is a house. He come over there and he repaired the TV and then that that family was happy because Samsung is repaired the TV, right? That's an ad which was running 10 years back, but still we remember that. Why? Because that was something different that he did, that it does, right? So you also need to think in that way that now it's the high time to change your strategy, to change your ad creatives, to change everything that you do, and now you need to start a new or creative which is completely different from your particular strategy so that you can grab the attention of audiences, and now you most probably start getting the results. Right? And the second scenario is you started the new funnel, you started the new startup and you created an ad account, you started the new fresh campaign, you tried different audiences in that, you tried different ad creatives in that, but still it doesn't work, right? Now you need to think about what kind of a sales funnel you are using. Each and every product, each and every services has different sales funnel. You might be using a sales funnel which is worth $1.40 of $1.40 of product, but you are selling the $200 plus product on that sales funnel. It doesn't work. You need to think of it. You need to check your sales funnel, and you need to see that what kind of sales funnel is exactly perfect for my product pricing. Always new freshers or newbies are always doing this kind of mistake that they think that I tried all the permutation and combinations, right? Because they're using the ad copy, they're using the creative, they're using the different targeting options, but this is not it. You need to find out the sales funnel which is winning for you, which will give you the results, which will give you the best cost per lead or cost per conversion. So this is the things that you need to consider. It doesn't mean that you don't need to think about the creative and ad copy. That is also important, but your sales funnel in a new account matters the most, right? So this is it for this video. This is Prathamesh signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.